interior is better than my Impreza.
It's kind of cool.
Yeah, it's nice. I mean, I like the leather down here and everything.
The vinyl.
Oh, that's vinyl?
Yeah, it's not. I don't think it's. I think only the seats are leather.
Go ahead. A little wide there. Losing a little speed off that. That's not bad. I mean, you're only off by like, I mean, that one corner is the same one I'm having terrible problems with too, where I'm just going way too wide, going hot into that. But otherwise you're fine.
Yeah.
I think coming into the Solemn, you lost a little bit of speed going into that because you had to slow down to stabilize the car a little bit.
Yeah.
If you were a little bit smoother coming around there, maybe actually a little less speed, you would have carried a little bit more speed going into the Solemn.